Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Fadina Amilia Izzati and I want to tell you about effects of volcanic eruption. And I'm drawing this one, three effects, five effects in the leaf, down. Okay. A result, resident hosts were destroyed and they had to evacuate. This is a negative effect. Residents suffered great loss because they lost their home, livestock, and liver. This is a sum. Negative effect, and positive effect. Negative effect, hence many casualties, and the result of the eruption is air pollution. And in positive effect, the land around the mountain eruption because fertile and have. Thank you. Stop it. And yeah. Thank you for attention and see you.